Jeep adventure game by me. My goal is to make a Jeep game where you can hit each other and you will die after multiple hits. Design. I designed a game where you can drive a Jeep that was supposed to look like a Rubicon Jeep Wrangler and crash into other identical Jeeps and destroy them. I did not finish the project because it was getting boring and it took a lot of time. My program consisted of void function, floats, integers, variables, if and else statements, vector 3, input.getDown, comments, and some others. Rethink. If I could continue, I would finish the game. For example, I would fix the rocket arch, or I would add more obstacles. Hello. Basically, you have all these cars here, and the reason why I didn't finish it was another thing is they all drive everywhere, and they're all pointing a different direction. But for example, if you look at this car right here, if I turn right, it turns right, and if I turn left, it also turns left. So whenever I press the key, all the other cars do the same exact thing. So it's not mindless AI. And if I press space about the rocket launch, the rocket goes flying, but it doesn't arch, but the rocket point doesn't really do a perfect arch. So basically, when you hit a car, like for example, this brown car was just a test. If you hit the car in the back about multiple times, then at some point it would delete the car, means you destroyed the car. But then the hard thing about this is because every move you do, all the other cars do the exact same move. Because you basically control all other cars. Okay, any questions?
So what are the parts that are remaining that you didn't get to finish?
The mindless AI part where the cars should drive by themselves, and the rocket arch where when it goes in the arch, the pointing direction goes in the arch too, instead of going all wacky while it's flying in the arch.
Okay.
Was there any lags or glitches in the game when you were making it?
No.
No glitches at all.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Anyone else have questions for him? All right, good job. Let's give him a round of applause.